Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. I'm back again with another quick Singapore noodles recipe. I hope you're all well and thanks again for clicking on today's video. We're going to start off with cutting our vegetables. Rinse your vegetables 3 to 4 times and cut them in your desired shape. If you're new here, I'm Kayi and I share quick, easy and very delicious recipes on this channel, and you are very welcome. It's going to take you less than 20 minutes to make this noodles. The first thing, once you get your vegetable prep, you are all good. So you can do this the day before, just to save you a little bit more time again. And the noodles we're going to use today is already cooked, so you don't have to do anything. You just sort your vegetables out and start with the cooking. I'm going to use half of this green bell pepper, but you can use the whole pepper if you wish to. I'm going to use also the red one and the yellow one. These are the vegetables I will be using today, but feel free to add some mushrooms if you love them. And always remember, is your kitchen your rules? I'm just guiding you here. So use the vegetables that you know you enjoy in your food. I want my vegetables a little bit chunky in these noodles, so that's how I'm going to keep them. But you can cut your vegetables a little bit smaller if you wish to. And this is pretty much our vegetable prep done with, and I'm going to show you the rest of the ingredients for today's recipe. We're going to need some chopped ginger, 3 garlic cloves, some onions. I use half of the red onion, the bell peppers, some prawns, and the Singapore already cooked noodles. We're going to start off with frying the egg. So heat up your oil 4 to 5 minutes and fry the egg. You can add some seasoning if you wish to, but today I'm just frying the egg. I'm not adding any seasoning. So it's pretty much done here, and I'm going to set it aside and add it to the noodles later. Thanks to all my returning subscribers for checking again in. I really appreciate you guys. Don't forget to drop me a comment about today's easy recipe. Now I'm going in with the prawns. I'm going to fry it 6 to 7 minutes. Use any seasoning of your choice. I'm going in now with about a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. That's all I'm going to use. Let it fry, and then I will be adding that as well later. In the same pan, I'm going in with the chopped ginger and garlic. I'll saute this 1 to 2 minutes and add the onion. After adding the onion, I will let it saute for 2 to 3 minutes and add the rest of the vegetables. I hope you are enjoying today's recipe. If that is the case, don't forget to like the video and keep watching. After adding the vegetables, I will be cooking this on a medium heat, and I'll go in now with a little bit more of all-purpose seasoning, a tablespoon of dark soy sauce, and the sausages. After 2 to 3 minutes, I will be adding the noodles. This is what the noodles looks like, in case you want to get the same. After adding the noodles, I'm going to cook everything here on a high heat so all the ingredients can cook well together. Time to add the fried egg and the prawns, and a little bit of chili flakes. But feel free to use black pepper if you want to. If you haven't yet subscribed, kindly subscribe and make sure you activate the bell so you will be notified the next time I upload another video. And this is our Singapore noodles ready, and I'm going to garnish it with some spring onions. You can use fresh parsley as well if that is what you prefer. Thanks so much for watching, and it's time to enjoy this yummy food. I'll see you all in my next video. Take care for now. Bye. Au revoir.